Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to talk about more about the definition, the epsilon delta definition. Okay, so what I did was I drew a curve. So I got this curve f of x, and what we're doing is we're saying, hey, if I choose any epsilon from the limit, so if I'm within a certain epsilon from the limit, so let's say this distance here is epsilon, and this distance here is epsilon, and then likewise this distance from A is delta, and this distance here is delta. Okay? What we're saying is that, hey, if I'm within a certain distance of L, then I'm going to be within a certain distance of A. Okay, so what this is saying, for one, this symbolism says for every or all or any epsilon greater than 0, so for every epsilon greater than 0, where epsilon is just a real number, it says for every positive distance epsilon from L, okay, right there, there exists a delta greater than 0. So that's what this means, which means it's saying that there is a positive distance of delta from A. Okay? So for any distance I choose from L, there exists a positive distance from A. And then this conditional here says, if this positive distance from A is less than delta, then guess what? This positive distance is going to be less than epsilon. So what does it mean? It says, as I'm getting closer and closer to A, this is what this is saying. As I get closer and closer to A, I'm getting closer and closer to L. That's what this is saying. So again, it's using what we already intuitively know, what we've already informally talked about, and now we're putting in precise language. Okay? Epsilon delta language. And so this is what we mean. If I am within a certain distance of here, I'm going to be within a certain distance of L. That's what it's saying. So that's the understanding. Okay, so now let's do some examples and solidify this. Okay, so again, spend some time thinking about this, mulling it over. Okay, just don't read it, just don't watch these videos, but reflect on what these mean. See if you can get an understanding. Okay, even if it doesn't come to you right away, some of this stuff will make more sense as we do more examples, and it'll click. Okay, sometimes it takes longer to click for others. So don't worry about it, okay? Have a great day.